I do tend to always think of things from a bird's eye perspective, actually. Even when I'm driving, I see it from above, which is just how your brain works. But also, it's a really strange one because you're seeing a bigger picture so often about what is going on. And although you are in that bigger picture, you've got to have an understanding of everyone's roles within it. And I think that is the key. And that's one of the business lessons that, I very much share, is that we are all part of a team, and it doesn't matter if you're up at 20,000 feet in the skies or if you're down on the ground. Everyone's got to know what their common goal is as well, and they've all got to be working towards it.